Hey, it's Brianna again from seasonball.com, and I'm back with another iPhone tutorial. This time I am showing you how to make a very easy dairy-free vegan whipped cream. Here you go. So we're going to start with a can of coconut milk that I put in the refrigerator overnight. At the minimum, you can keep it in there for 4 hours, but the main point is to solidify the coconut cream. I'm going to go ahead and actually turn it upside down to open up the bottom first to release the remaining water. So what's left in here, that's not the solidified part, is the coconut water. I'm going to go ahead and pour that out. And as you can see, the remaining coconut cream is in here, and I'm going to scoop it out. So next, I have a bowl that has been in the refrigerator for about like 20-30 minutes. And I'm going to scoop my coconut cream in the bowl. So I'm scooping out my cream, and to make it a little easier, I went ahead and opened up the other end so it can kind of just pop right out. Well, you gotta push it out, but you guys get it. So I'm gonna flavor our coconut vegan whipped cream with about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I also have some powdered sugar for a little bit of sweetness. So as you can see, this is very whipped and thick, and it was so easy. I have this little bowl of blackberries. I'm just gonna top it for a little dairy-free breakfast. Enjoy. Hope you guys like this easy tutorial.